Today, Robin is having a repeat laser treatment at Refresh Laser Clinics at the Bond Clinic in Sheffield for a condition called rosacea. Rosacea can rarely ever be cured, but it can be effectively managed and contained. Rosacea is a chronic condition characterized by facial redness known as erythema and is sometimes accompanied by spots or acne. If left untreated, it tends to worsen over time. Treatment in the form of topical steroids in the long term often aggravates the condition. Robin has previously had a course of treatment for his rosacea 2 years ago and is back again today for a top-up treatment.
I come here to Refresh Laser Clinics for my rosacea. The redness on my cheeks and above my mouth and sometimes between my eyebrows, but mainly the cheek area here, has really bothered me for many, many years. When I was 18, I was diagnosed with a separate condition called seborrheic dermatitis, and I was put on hydrocortisone cream, which over the years thinned my skin and also the blood vessels on the area that I was treating with the cortisone cream. The skin actually developed more blood vessels, generating more redness in this particular area. Apart from the cortisone cream, which did keep it at bay, I've not used any other treatment, but the problem with the cortisone cream was that I was noticing that my skin was getting progressively thinner, and toward the end I was getting more and more kind of blood vessels that I was noticing and broken veins in this particular area. I chose Refresh Laser Clinics because of the lasers that they use. I'm a medical professional in my own line of work, and I do use lasers. And I did a large amount of research into the options that were open to me, and I knew that the lasers that Refresh Laser Clinics use for rosacea are regarded as the gold standard. They use laser genesis and an IPL system called Limelight. So I primarily chose them because I knew the systems that they were using, and I know that in my that certain lasers have strengths and weaknesses, and one of the primary strengths of the laser genesis system is that it has a very deep depth of penetration, and the laser beams can actually target the tiny blood vessels which give that red appearance in the cheeks. So I knew really they had the equipment to do the job for me. Treatment feels surprisingly comfortable. It is a laser treatment, so I was expecting it to feel hot, but I would say for 95% of the treatment time it's completely comfortable. It does get hot around the top lip and sometimes in the beard area, but really no worse than the sensation that you would feel if you're cooking with a frying pan and a bit of the hot fat just catches your skin. It's really no worse than that. I had my first course of treatment 2 years ago, and I had a course of 6 treatments spaced roughly 5 to 6 weeks apart, and the results were really tremendous. The redness completely disappeared, and I've been able to come off my steroid cream for the last 2 years, and the results have only recently worn off. I'm more than satisfied with the treatment. I'm really delighted. Being a healthcare professional, I have to deal with patients on a day-to-day basis and talk to people, and that involves people looking at my face. And before, I was acutely aware of the redness in my face, and it really undermined my confidence. And for the last 2 years, I've had my confidence back. I would highly recommend it. There have been surprising extra benefits that I've noticed from the treatment. I was told that this type of laser treatment can be used for facial rejuvenation, and I have noticed that the fine lines and wrinkles that a 42-year-old guy does get around the eyes and around the mouth has actually dramatically improved. And also my pores, I had very large pores in my cheek area here, and they've all disappeared. So yeah, the rejuvenation was an extra bonus.
The light-based treatments offered at Refresh Laser Clinics for rosacea are also highly effective for conditions such as active acne and seborrheic dermatitis. Refresh Laser Clinics use primarily Cutera lasers. Cutera is California's leading medical-grade laser manufacturer. In the US, Cutera is the laser of choice for celebrities, and in the UK is exclusively available in less than 70 clinics. Refresh Laser Clinics can offer appointments with doctors, medical professionals and dermatologists so that the best treatment options can be selected to suit your individual needs.